How to get entire order for free on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try out how you can get entire order for free on Temu. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So getting orders for free on Temu is not that common or not that hard as well. So what you'll need to do is be sure that there is an offer going on. So whenever there is an offer going on, sometimes Temu offers entire orders for free. So go back here, come to your Temu, make sure that you're logged in, come to your U page, and there you'll find this option called gift calendar or gifts and offers. From here you can place anything here. So I've already been through this Temu gift calendar, so I've already gotten my pick here. But after you here once, you will be prompted to play a game where you will need to choose one between 3 cards, and after you choose that, you will be able to get items worth of $1,500 for almost free. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. There are only offers that allow you to get entire orders for free on Temu. Other than that, yeah, there can sometimes be games as well that are available for you guys to play. So yeah, just come to your U page and there you will find another option called play and win or something like that. So yeah, there will be earned credits and free gifts, so you can go through that as well and you can get your entire order for free. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and